What's up, what's up? In this video, we're gonna go through how to set up a Facebook ad account for the first time. So when you are in Facebook, there's a completely separate part of this called a business manager where ads are ran. And so if you have not ever set this up, or if you already have, it is important that you go through this so that you get it set up correctly. A lot of times we'll come behind, with clients that have worked with someone else and it's not totally set up correctly, or maybe you did it yourself. That's okay, but we're gonna take you through how to do it right now. So on the left side, if you expand this out, you'll be able to click on Ads Manager. And then mine will look a little bit different than yours, but it's going to bring you into your personal ad account. This is not the ad account that we want to use, and you'll know it's yours because it will have your name on it and it'll have your profile picture on it. So you can see I don't use this ad account, don't even have payment on it. But what we have are a bunch of other ad accounts that are set up. And the way that we're going to do this, so for you, you're going to click here, and assuming you don't have any business portfolio set up, you're going to create a business portfolio. So you're going to start by naming this your company name. And then we'll put our contact info in. Perfect, and then we will hit create. All right, so I've reached my business portfolio limit, but you will create this business portfolio and then it will bring you into that business portfolio. So once you have created it and you are inside of that business portfolio, you will know because up in the top left, there will be an icon that tells you that you are in that. So the first thing that we will do when we get into this is you will come into business settings. And under business settings, you're gonna add yourself, so your individual self, as well as any admins under people. And then we are gonna come down to pages. And if you already have a page that for your company, you'll come up here, you'll hit add page, and it will let you request that page name. So for this one, we'll do hometown. Let's see, garage. I'll forget that. So what do we do? Home. This is just an example company. You'll select your page there and add that in. Okay, once we've added a page, we're going to come down here to add accounts. We are then going to hit create new ad account. We'll name this, and we will select our time zone. There's quite a few of them. Let's see. Yeah, we'll bring it up. Well, not this time. All right, there's Chicago, and we'll hit next. So this will be used, it'll ask, will this be used for your business or not a client? We're going to use it for our business. All right, once that ad account's created, we're going to have to add the people to it. So we're going to go ahead and select and then do full control and add that. It's going to ask you for payment info. We'll go ahead and skip that for now. And what we're going to do is on this left side, we're going to come down to data sources, and then under data set, we are going to go ahead and add a data set here. So So now we're going to select Metapixel and Conversion API. We will cover how to set those up in a separate video here, but right now you're just going to go ahead and create that and then close out of this. So you can see now you've got your pixel over here. And what we need to do is on this pixel, we need to assign assets and people to it. So the first thing we're going to do is add that ad account that we created. And then we're going to come in and do assign people and make sure that we assign ourselves as well to that. Perfect. So once you have that done, you'll see your name here, you'll see connected assets, you have the page and or the ad account that we use. And then, all right, then lastly on the left side, we're going to come under domains and we are going to add our domain here. So we will hit create new domain. We're going to type the domain that we're going to use. So I'll use a different one. It was just that the HTTPS doesn't need to be on the front, so we'll just put that, and we will hit add, and it is going to pull up this screen. Now at the top here, we're going to want to go down and update the DNS TXT record with your domain register, and then we're going to grab this little snippet here and copy that to our clipboard, where we will take it into our domain host. So whether it's GoDaddy or Cloudflare or wherever your domain is hosted, you will then take it into there to update DNS records. So I'm going to go ahead and go into GoDaddy and show you how you do that in there. If you have something else and you're unable to figure it out, please send us a message in the school community. And we can help you out or send you a video on how to do that. But what we're going to do is go into GoDaddy, and we're going to update and add a TXT record to that. So, all right, once you're in GoDaddy, it's going to look like this. You're going to want to find the DNS settings for the domain that you're going to use. So I added it to this one just because I don't want to mess up my main one, but we're going to hit add record. We're going to do type TXT. We're then going to put that string of characters from Facebook And then depending on the platform you're on, some require an @, some you just leave it blank. If the @ doesn't work, leave it blank. If blank doesn't work, put an @. So once we have that added, we can then go back into our business settings and we are going to verify our domain. And it may take just a second for us to be able to do that. Let's see. Let's go ahead. So if you have that part, because it's an unused domain, we can go ahead and delete that, and that'll go ahead and make it go through. So once we have the domain added, we're going to connect our assets, and so we want to add our pages, our page that we used, which in this case is that one. We will then add that, and once that gets updated, it'll let you know, and we should be all good on this step of setting up your ad account and everything like that. Now, in the previous video you watched to set up the page, we pulled that in here, as well as creating the ad account. We have created a data set, and we have connected our domain. So in the next video, we're going to go through how to set up your conversion API in Pixel that we just set up a couple minutes ago, and I look forward to seeing you in that video as we move along.